Good morning! Morning, guys! So, it's a girl, Paul. So, guys, today I'm gonna do a little cooking vlog. So, I'm gonna do rice and peas with some pork and oxtail. So, right now, I already prepped from last night, like season my meat and put them in the fridge. So, I found coconut yesterday, so I'm gonna blend my coconut now, so I can get the ball rolling. All right, guys, just follow back on me. I make we do some cooking today. All right, what is on the menus? I'm out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do my coconut. I'm gonna blend. You know, plug out the washer for me, please.
You plugged it in.
Yes, I'm gonna plug in the microwave for the blender. So I'm blending my life away. I'm blending my life away. So I'm gonna blend my coconut, guys. Then I'm gonna strain. Alright, so I'm gonna strain my coconut. Strain. Them coconut up here coming like powder. That one not so bad still. Not too bad. Just to get the milk out, I have to do it one more time. I love taste my real coconut milk. Jamaican coconut milk. Original coconut milk. Yes. That's my crazy daughter-in-law. She's so crazy, guys.
No, I'm not. I'm normal.
Guys, I still feel like I'm gonna add a pack of the powder milk, the coconut powder, to it. Alright. See, guys? Milk. I really like the powder business and the can one. I really love me real coconut milk. Alright. Sorry. Alright, guys, so I have my dry peas, right? So I'm gonna pressure my peas. I don't like the canned beans either. I love real stuff. So I'm gonna wash my peas now, or if you call it bean, whichever one you call it. Use to my peas. These are peas, bean and bean. Right, guys, so I'm gonna pressure my peas. Right. Get that pressure. I already do my coconut milk. I already do my get my coconut milk. So I get out of the milk. So I pour it in this pot. So after now, I pressure my peas. I pour it in that pot. I do some a piece of ginger. I scrape my ginger. Then I beat it. And I put it in my milk. Still waiting for the peas, but we just prep these first. Some scallion and some thyme in there. Alright guys, so I'm still gonna prep some seasoning. Same way, but I go I season up my coconut milk for the rice and peas. So guys, in this pot, I have some scallion, ginger, thyme, coconut milk, and also a little sugar with my salt. So I'm waiting for the peas now to pressure. I'm waiting for the peas. So after the peas is pressured, I add my my rice. So in this container I have some oxtail, and this one I have some pork. So right now I'm gonna put on the pork, and then after the peas is pressured, I pressure the oxtail because I think it's more harder to cook. Alright? So I already put the pot on for the pork. So here we go. I'm gonna pour some oil. Some oil. Let's have just a little. I'm gonna add some more oil. You have to use oil when you cook your food now, guys, because if you don't use enough oil, your pork not taste good. Trust me, it's not going to taste good. So wait on the oil to hot now. Meanwhile, girl, peas are cooked. So peas are boiled up, so I'm going to use some cold water and sink it. And then put on the pressure cooker cover. Alright, so peas sink. Alright, so girl, I put on the pressure cooker cover now. Turn them now. Right. So, girl, I go prep my seasoning now. So guys, let me show you the pork. I didn't put any water in it, but let me show you what's going on there. See? So that's what happened. So sometimes some people say, "Lord, my pot full of water," because what? You put on the pot, it's already, the meat already have the water in it to absorb or to push out whatever, and you still got to add a whole heap of water to it. So you just make it stay there. When the water there go down now, you add water to it. Add some water to it. And then you let it cook. So guys, my peas is now pressured. So I'm going to pour it in the milk in another container, another pot. That I'm going to cook my rice and peas. Alright. And then get this pressure cooker back for business. That's for the oxtail. Right, so I already season up my rice. I put some scallion, some thyme, and a little sugar, my salt. I'm also going to put a little butter in it too, because I love my butter in my rice. Alright, so let's do it. So I'm going to bring this to a boil with my ginger also in it. And after that, I add my rice. Alright. So guys, let me show you what's going on. So this is this for my rice. It's boiling. So I'm gonna add my rice. Then you have the oxtail here and my pork over there. Alright? So I'll let you know what's up next. So you have my seasoning here. This for the pork, for the oxtail. It's all ginger, onion, and some hot pepper for the pork. Hot pepper, onion, sweet pepper, ginger, scallion, and garlic for the oxtail. Alright, and some beans. Broad beans, as you know. Alright? So guys, I make some coleslaw, but I don't know about you, everybody do things different. So I'm gonna add some thin sliced onion to this and some sweet pepper. So as I say, everybody do their things different. Add some sugar and my mayonnaise. Alright? So guys, this is my coleslaw. That's my coleslaw. Alright. So I'm just waiting for the pork is already cooked. So I'm just waiting for the oxtail and the rice and peas to cook. Alright. Here I got my beans. Alright. My oxtail is almost done. So I'm gonna add these 2 cans of beans. But first I'm gonna put it in a strainer and run some hot water over it. move this break off. Now I'm gonna add my beans to my oxtail. This is the oxtail and bean, my pork, and here goes the rice and peas. So I'll show you dinner when I'm ready to share. All right. So dinner is ready. So that's dinner. So me hang my banger. So husband is going to eat. All right. So guys, this is the end of the video. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Say Chris and Paul over here are going with a bag of things. And talk to Alice. I see her there. What is under my nose? I'm out.